When you need a roof replacement in Buda, Texas, you're facing one of your biggest home improvement decisions. Should you tackle it yourself or trust the professionals? Smart homeowners know the answer. At Willi Roofing, we've been Central Texas's GAF Master Elite Contractor for over 2 decades. That puts us in the top 2% of roofing contractors nationwide. And there's a good reason for that exclusivity. Professional roof replacement in Hays County isn't just about laying shingles. It's about creating a complete roofing system that protects your most valuable investment. The real magic happens underneath, where proper flashing, underlayment, and ventilation work together. DIY attempts usually fail because homeowners focus on what they can see while missing the critical details. Without proper training, it's nearly impossible to install flashing correctly around chimneys and vents. These areas are where most leaks start, and one mistake can lead to thousands in water damage. Our GAF Master Elite status gives you access to the industry's best warranties, including coverage for both materials and workmanship for up to 50 years. This protection simply isn't available with DIY installation. Central Texas weather is particularly challenging. Our intense summer heat, severe storms, and occasional hail require specific installation techniques that only experienced professionals understand. We select materials and use methods proven effective in our climate. Quality installation takes knowledge that comes from years of experience and ongoing training. Every fastener pattern, every piece of flashing, every ventilation detail must be perfect. That's what separates professional results from DIY disasters. When you choose professional roof replacement in Buda, Texas, you're not just buying installation, you're investing in peace of mind, warranty protection, and results that last for decades. Contact Willi Roofing today to learn more.